Hi guys, good morning. And we're on the way to where? Where are we going? No, we're going to the wedding.
Why for?
Because your auntie is getting married.
Huh?
Your auntie Nicole is getting married. Say hi. Lahat kami naka-wear ng denim top or clothes pala. Ayan yung boys. Holly, say hi, Holly. Holly, Baba, say hi. Baba, please. Holly. Ayaw niya. Holly, say hi, Baba. Hi, guys. Again, say hi. Okay, put your arms now. Inaalis niya lang yung arms niya, guys. Pero naka-seatbelt siya. Ilalagay ulit ni Jan. Ayan. Nag-wash ng car. What you gonna say? Hi guys. Another 2 hours. See you guys. Oy, bakit? Umiyak siya. Nainip na siya. 2 hours pa. Nasa Victor Harbor na kami. Victor Harbor pala. Sorry. That's right. Harbor Town. You're right, Kuya. Yeah, we're going to Harbor Town to get some.
Yes, we are.
Bili ng damit si Jan. Kasi wala siyang susutin bukas. Hindi naman yung t-shirt, lang, yung may color lang. Yung parang decent tingnan. Kasi lahat ng damit niya, t-shirt lang. So, yun. What's the... After the Harbor Town, yes. How about you, Holly? Hi, guys. Okay, see you later, guys. Yeah, for 2 days. Hi guys.
Oh!
Kuya, don't.
Dad, my name is just...
Copying. You're copying Kuya Zach. Ow. Holly, put your arms. Ow. Are you bored, Zach? We're almost there.
60 or 90.
That's the truck's 60. Right. Have a look at this.
Hello, Holly. What is pop?
No.
What is
Where are we, Bubba?
What is pop a lot of times? What is pop, Dad?
That's good, Dad.
Dad. What?
Get real money back up to $50. Game on, Q-Bets. Also available convenient via tap exclusive South Wales. 447 Triple M.
Yeah, we're gonna find your dad.
We have to put the shoes on.
25 degrees in Adelaide. Hey, Sally Spicer here.
Guys, dito na kami sa Harbor Town. Maghanap lang kami ng damit ni Jan tsaka for kids. Hi! Ay, guys, naputol. May nakita si Jan na taga dun sa amin. Guys, yung sa lugar namin kasi yun, suburb. So, dito kami sa city. So, anyway, dito na kami sa Victor Harbor. Maghanap kayo ng damit ng kids. Tapos, bila namin si Sak ng shades. Dito kami sa Oakley. Ayan. Hanapan namin si Sak ng sunglasses kasi siya. Si kuya niya kasi mayroon last year. So, siya naman this year. Ayan si Sak. Oh, you didn't bring the other one.
We didn't bring anything there.
How about the white one, hon? The white one.
Like them, Zach?
Yeah, it looks nice, huh? Try it.
Try it on. sure it tucks behind your ears.
No, no, no. You have to put sack so we can.
Just put them on the ears.
Look at
Not
me.
tucking you on the ears. No,
Let me
right.
see. Let me see. Looks nice.
Yeah,
Do you have the? That's the smallest one.
Yeah, yeah, they're the ones.
It's a bit big.
They're the same size.
They're
Is
the
that
ones.
this?
They're
That's the one we
ones
got.
for him.
Oh, you've
For
already
him.
got them? Right, okay, yeah.
That's.
Yeah, they'll
Like
be
two.
the same size. So.
Holly, sit down, please.
What ones are they?
They're half jackets, so they're the same as those.
Same size.
Yeah.
How about this one, Han? This is different
No, no,
one.
no.
They're
a
not
bit
big.
bigger.
They're $90, those ones.
Yeah, I reckon that's probably good.
Yeah, these ones are on sale.
Medyo malaki yung sinukat ni Sak.
Is that the only one? Which one's
Yeah, this one.
You like it, Sak? Sak, try that one, Sak. Oh, it looks like that. Try it.
Thinly.
Let me see. Let me see. Don't remove your hand.
I'm going to try this.
A bit too big, maybe.
Don't know. The ones which ones like those ones?
Try maybe these.
You like them ones?
You like those? They match your top.
He wants to be trendy like Daddy. Oh, he wants the white one. You like that one?
Grab
Okay.
those? Yep, no worries. I'll see if I got a new pair for you.
Yeah.
Okay, so what you can say? What you can say to Daddy? Huh? Mahiyain ka naman.
Dad, Mom.
What? Oh, that's similar. What you have now.
Is that all I know?
Yeah, you want the white one.
Dad.
Yeah, they're next time.
Next
when you
time.
get bigger, you get them.
Do you like yours, huh?
How little the big.
That's right.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, still nice, right?
Oh, look at that.
You get your own? Huh? Boy, why you don't
What's the
talk?
top?
Huh?
What's them at the top?
Which
Oh, look
one?
up the top. What's them?
Sad.
They'll be the last ones.
From morning.
Holly. Baba. Baba. Hi. What you gonna say?
Very much.
Okay, tell from Mama.
Yeah,
No worries.
Make sure you don't drop it. Are you happy now? Why you look sad?
Lots of money, mate. Put them on, mate. Really? Oh, small.
How do you know? Why? Yeah, that looks nice.
Next large, probably.
Why do try it to me, huh? I haven't seen you like.
Actually, that's what that I don't know.
Nice, babe. It will be look nice too because it's your
Size
top.
40.
Ask if you have size. And it's look like thin,
Well,
babe.
then I can roll it up.
That's why. And it's thin.
Yeah, it's thin.
Did you hear me? I'm 42.
No, that's the size. When you get to my age.
Ones with those pockets, they're not up. There you go, mate. Two different sizes. So you were just in the 38 section, but yeah, we'll have them numbered up anyway.
Like this. Here. Holly. Holly.
Spin
Olga! Put it in your head. Nagsusukat si Jan. Yeah. I-off ko daw. Tingnan. Dito kami sa basurahan, guys. Factory outlet to, guys. Kaya ganyan ang background. Andun si Jan. Ngayon, alam ko na ang feeling na, guys, alam ko na yung pakiramdam na naghihintay ka. Tapos siya lang yung susukat. Ramdam ko na si Jan. Hindi pala siya. Nakabangot talaga pala. Kuya, sa come here, TJ. Come here. Come here, Karen. Lahat kami nakaano. Come on, kuya. Kami, kuya. Kuya. Sa. Lahat kami naka-denim. I can see your sock. Hi, Holly.
So you
Sock
have
here, stay here.
Zach has a match. Zach has a match. Zach
Huh?
has a match.
Oh, that's right.
I don't
Come on here.
match.
Gusto siya magsukat. Good?
That's cool. I Dustin had these on last week. So where'd you get them from? So I said, oh no, where I've gone. I said, all right, man.
Huh?
Where's Holly?
Yeah, yeah.
Where's
Got the
Holly?
ink on it.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not.
Extra large.
Is that the same?
Yeah,
It's
the
got
same.
ink on
Yeah,
it?
yeah. That
Are you lying back, Holly?
Be careful, huh? Don't drop her.
Yeah.
Careful, Sas.
You like that bug?
How did that fall go?
What?
Yes, they are. I'd have to, right? Shall I grab the belt? Oh, they're not so bad. Thank you. All the best, alright? So, yeah.
Put on that hang there, Bob.
Yeah, mate.
Hang it there, Bob.
Me and Dad have to do wee.
Alright, come on, guys.
Napili na si Jan. Meron na siya ng top, tsaka nakapili rin siya ng pants. Pero I think mag-shirt siya bukas. Kasi mainit. Pero meron na siyang damit. So, libot-libot ulit tayo. Maghanap na para sa mga bata naman. Huh?
Hey, I want to wear my new t-shirt.
Okay, God, come on.
Where is it?
I don't know, maybe we should go there.
Kids. Where's the kids one?
Let's go. So what time is it?
Got an hour and 20 minutes.
Hanap na kami for kids store. Kasi yung mga bata naman, hanapan natin ng damit yung mga bata. Sila kuya tsaka si Zach. Si Holly, marami pa naman si Holly. Right, Zach?
I know what to do.
Okay. Zach, where are you going? Zach, where are you going? Nagtatago kasi si Jan. Ayaw niya ayaw sumama sa vlog. Sana siya. Ayun na naman, hindi ko naman siya mahanap. Ayun cotton on, Beb.
Hey.
Huh? Ayan, dito na lang ako sa cotton. Hindi namin makita yung ibang store for kids. So dito kayo sa cotton on. Cotton on.
Okay, go what?
Huh? Come on. Get in. Mali yung napasukan namin na cotton on for adults pala yun. Ito yung sa kids. Pero may nabili ako sa sa akin yung parang mga tights. Kids. Wow, Holly. Kuya, where are you? Can you push Holly, please? Are you okay? Find your t-shirt. Siya raw magpipili para sa kanya. Here, TJ. That's for babies. Here. Okay, choose and shorts. We need shirts for Bali. Ayun yung dalawa. Sila raw magpili ng damit nila. Did you find any? Oh, I like that one, Zach. That's nice.
Use that.
Sila raw magpili ng damit nila. What's that, Zach? Let me see. You like it?
It's number 4.
It's alright. What number are you? 5? Yeah, 2 for 25. Yeah. How many? I don't have that one.
Oh, look. Chef.
It's just the ones hanging off the counter or folded on top of the counter.
What's that? Here. This one. This one. Holly. No, the water. Mansak, teacher. You want your glasses? Then I got.
When you want to do it like that, you just sit them up there like that. Put them on.
Wow! Guwapo! Pogi! Okay, sana pa ni Jan yung dalawa ng t-shirt. Kasi wala kami masyadong nakita sa cotton. No? Hi! Pasok ulit tayo dito. Labas na tayo ng tent, guys. Wala na sila masyadong magaganda. Wala na, ubus na. Meron lang ako nakuha isa. That's it. Pero wala na talaga. So, hanapin na natin yung boys. Where's Daddy? Huh? Where's Daddy? Where are they? Oh, so makita, sabi niya dito raw sila. Dito.
Look at
Ayun.
Joker.
Fun one? No, thank you. Oh, you got it. Huh? Look at that one.
Mom, can you put this in my box too?
Oh, hold it for Mama, please. Hold this for Mama.
Can I go in the closet?
No, you're wearing that for the wedding here.
That's a
DJ? Ang Ollie's Place, maganda tong mga damit for kids kaso. 5. Ano siya, a bit pricey. Ayun, ang cute. O, tingnan mo kay Holly. Size 1 to. Magkano to? See? On sale na siya, $39.99. Original is $57, guys. So, for this dress. So, yeah. Medyo mahal siya. Ayun si John. What's that, Belle?
Are you a member with us? Would you like to join our membership program?
We're not from.
Okay, sure.
I think I do have. Just check.
You do?
I
What's your
think.
telephone
Ng
number?
ano, oh. Ng coat. For sure, cute din ang price nito. Huwag ko nang alamin dahil alam ko mamahalin yan. So, eto 47, 32 na lang siya. Not 32 na lang. Mahal pa rin siya. Ang ganda, oh. Maraming magaganda dito kaso mahal siya, guys. Magkano to? Tingnan natin to. Oops. Eto, may paano siya. Ah, okay lang naman. Eto. Ang ganda niya, oh. Hindi siya nagpo-focus. Sorry naman. Ayan. Ang ganda niya, oh. Honey, look at this. Bab. Bab, for Holly, look. Jan. In-ignore ako ni Jan. Look at that one. Bab. That's nice. Look, it's nice. Sabi niya, I know, pero hindi niya yung mamaya ko anong mga napili ko kasi Ang hirap guys. Nandito si Holly. Ayan. Oh. Hindi ako makapag-vlog and then at the same time namimili. So, ipakita ko na lang sa inyo mamaya yung mga napili ko dito sa Valley Girl. Ha? What you guys say? Hi guys. So yeah, dito tayo sa Valley Girl. So let's go Holly. Yung boys, nandun sila sa kabilang store. Okay, Holly. Ayan. Guys, pili muna tayo. Tapos na ako, guys. Ayan yung mga napili ko na mga... This is Valley, right? Valley Girl?
Valley Girl.
Yeah, Valley Girl. So, yeah.
You just take card out.
Thank you. So, yeah, we're done here. Get it for her, please. Stop. Go. That's the one there, babe.
Huh?
That looks nice.
Brown.
Yeah, brown, black, and not that one. That's the one behind, the one you show me.
Black one.
Yeah, it's two colors. That's that.
He lost it. He lost his Oakley glasses.
What did you say?
Do you like them glasses, Mom?
Yes, I do like it.
Mom, do you like them things?
Yes, I do like it. No, you can wear it, but try it on. I don't know. See.
Is it two? Yeah, right there. Yeah.
That one, large down. DJ, can you move Holly, please?
Mom, do I have one of this?
Yeah, put it back in.
Mom, can I have a look at my trousers glasses? Hi, Mom, take your glasses. I'm not supposed to glasses.
Give me this one. Okay. Uwi na kami. Tapos na kayo dito sa Harbor Town. Lagi kong sasabihin ko sana Victor Harbor. Ayan, tapos na kayo dito sa Harbor Town. Ayan na yung mga napamili namin. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Ayan, yung mga napamili. Ayan ang mga boys. Punta na kami sa parking lot, guys. Tapos, na-mention ko na ba sa inyo? Nag-group chat kami ng mga Indies. Magdi-dinner kami sa watermark sa Glenelg. So doon kayo magkikita-kita mga 7 o'clock. So time check is I think 5:30. So ewan ko kung saan kayo magtatambay. Ha?
Put the stuff in the back. I want to get Charlotte there.
Go. Ay! That's cost a lot.
$20, mate.
That's
Alright, very, very, very expensive. You look after them like they're worth $1 million. Right?
you know,
Do.
Yes, he does.
sinisira mo na si Zach na ingatan niya yung Oakley niyang sunglasses kasi hindi siya katulad ng Spider-Man sunglasses niya kasi sabi ni Zach,
Hard to play with them, you know.
are you gonna wear? Look at Kuya. Kuya.
What? You want them?
Okay, where is that? Look at Kuya. Tapos na. Ah.
Yeah, just put them on your head.
Come on. Zach, stop. Zach.
Dad, you want to try them on?
No, come on, Tyron. Let me see. Go to Holly. How about Holly, Daddy? Zach, Holly. Holly. Holly.
That is for me.
You look so pogy, Zach, with your new sunnies. What's the name?
Oakley.
Okay, put it on.
Dad, see Oakley. It looks like the same.
Okay, put it on.
Is this flamingos go?
Let me
So
see.
we'll to use that hanky shirt up or not?
Dad.
Here, take some off there.
Oh no! I'm not sure it's on this. I'm doing that in the
Hurry up, 2 seconds.
Hi,
How
guys.
do you even do
Oh,
it?
Ayan na
look
yung
at that one,
aming-
TJ. That's fast.
Ayan na yung damage na nabili namin dito sa Harbor Town, guys. You need help? Ako na, kuya. Ako na, kuya. Yes. Guys, dito na kami sa watermark kung saan kayo magdi-dinner ng mga Inday. Ang dinner namin is 7 o'clock. Time check is 5:42. Tapos na kasi kaming mag-shopping. Wala na kami ibang pupuntahan aside dito. Kung hindi naman pwede mag-check-in doon sa hotel kasi malayo, out of the way. So, dito na lang kayo magtambay. Tambay talaga. Tambay. So, ayan. Tapos nag-change kami, guys. Nag-change ako ng top kasi sabi ni Blab, dapat daw naka-outfit. Tara, may pa-outfit. So,
What
yan.
did the done doing?
I'm not sure.
Me who you see, 'cause I think I